Yo people, welcome back City Hunters. New day, new vlog from a different country. Today we're in China. Yes, you've heard it right. We're in China today in Xiamen. So we've just arrived in our hotel and yeah, we've got a transit. So actually we're flying to Seoul, South Korea. But we had half day, 1 day maybe, layover. And what the good thing is about flying with Xiamen Airlines, I hope I pronounced it well, is that they provide you also a free hotel room. Well, in case of us, they gave us 2 free hotel rooms, so that's nice of them. The only problem is they don't speak English.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं?
They don't. I mean, we have to do it with Google Translate. No life without Google Translate. Thank you, Google. But anyway, yeah, I'll give you guys the room tour of the first room that we're having. It's a basic, simple room, but hey, we just need to sleep, right? So I'm going to turn my camera, and it's a bit dark as well. But the hotel name is Xiamen Airlines Hotel. How obvious. And yeah, so let me turn my camera, and then I'll give you guys a quickly room tour of the room number 1. Stay with me and talk to you later on. Peace out. Ciao. Okay, so this is the room, and then I'm done, I guess. Nah, joking. So this is the door, the entrance, big closet where you can put your clothes on. So first let me go to the bathroom, of course, and this is then the bathroom. So you've got a toilet, basic toilet, which is like normal sink as well, of course, and I don't know what you've got there. So some towels, some water, and some slippers. I hope you guys can see it. This looks quite interesting. I have no these are glasses, and this is something I don't know what, some kind of flower it is. Let me see if I can open this one, and inside this I see some stuff. I have no idea what this is. Dental kit. Oh, so you got dental kit. I see what's this, 7 Plus, I have no idea. A comb basically for your hair then, and you got some other stuff as well. Anyway, basic stuff what you need, and it's nice that they are providing it. What's also good about this toilet is that it's a Chinese toilet. I would have wanted to say that it's a Japanese toilet, but it's not. It's a Chinese toilet, so it's really luxurious. I've already tried it, but obviously I'm not gonna show you guys. But anyway, if you haven't tried one of these toilets before in your life, trust me, if you do, then you won't forget this, and you just always want to have that Chinese or Japanese toilet. So let's move on then, and over there you will see a big TV. I have no idea what they are saying, these dudes, and I haven't checked if it's a smart TV or not, but to be honest, I don't have time to watch TV here because I'm really tired. And this is then the room. You've got one sofa, a table, a chair as well, and this is then a queen size bed. I think 2 persons can sleep on it. But yeah, this is then the room, I would say. Let me move. Oh, you've got also something to make a cup of tea, and I like these glasses, to be honest. It's a bit different. You don't have them in Holland, so I might get this one for yeah, Amsterdam. But yeah, this is the first time I'm seeing these kind of cups. Obviously I'm used to the cups which they are using in Pakistan. Yeah, so over here you've got curtains. I have no, oh wow, You see some shops down there, and yeah, we're gonna go outside in a bit to see if we can find something halal. Yes, people. So this was room number 1. Peace out. Ciao.